Today we're going to learn how to record in Reaper. Last time we learned how to install the program. So we're going to open Reaper and then to select File, Save As. It's very important to save our project because sometimes the program gets crashed and we can lose our work. So let's name the file as Tuto. And let's put the folder on the desktop. We can also name it as Tuto if you want, with a capital letter. So by save as, we can create also a subdirectory for project, and we can copy all the media inside this project directory to this folder that we created. Then we save the project, and that's good. So we can create a folder. This is very important to help us to organize the project. So if you go to Tuto on the desktop, you can see there's a Tuto file, which is your Reaper project. And also you can see an audio folder. This folder contains all the media file that you copied to your project, and also contain all the file you recorded inside. So this is what happened when we select subdirectory folder, copy media to this project before saving this project. If you want to record, go before that to Reaper, Preferences, and then Audio Device, as you can see in blue. But today we're going to use the inside the built-in microphone, which is inside the laptop, and also built-in sound card. We're not going to use an outside microphone, neither an outside sound card. There's in every laptop mostly a built-in microphone. And if we choose default system device, it can be all the built-in microphone, built-in input, and built-in output. So we can have all this. Fireface is my sound card, my outside sound card. So this is for before recording. Then you click apply and OK. So this way we are using the inside sound card and microphone of the laptop. And if you want to record from this built-in microphone, you should turn it on. It's like Skype or Zoom or any other program. So in case you find that the microphone doesn't have a sound, you can check it in the Preferences System sound. Like here we can click on the Apple Preferences System. And there's also another way. By using the shortcut down there, we have this window that open, we go to Sounds or Son, and we choose the internal microphone interne. So the volume control how much sound we want to enter, and then to the program. So the cursor can control the sound. If we go to the right, we have volume d'entrée, which is the volume, going higher. If you go to the left, we can see it's going softer. And we can see that in the niveau d'entrée or level of entrance. This helps us also to prevent the appearance of the red light, which sometimes if we talk louder, it could cause a distortion. So be careful how much sound you let in. For example, if you have a big sound, a loud sound, it's better to put a small volume in. So this loud sound won't hit this red plus that cause sometimes some distortion, and also deviate the shape of the wave of the sound. Back to recording, we should first create a track. If we go to Insert and then Track, So insert track, we'll have a new track. Or we can do the following. So in this free space on the left, we can double click there. So if I double click here, I have a new track, and etc. I can add as many tracks as I like. So and then if we want to delete it, we click on the track and we click backspace. So here I delete it. Then we should arm the track by clicking on this button, arm, record, arm, disarm. And as you can see, by clicking on this button, there's some light going up and down. These lights represent the volume that's going inside the track by the microphone. Let's try always not to hit the +1 to arrive or +2 and keep it normal. By hitting these +1 we could, or +2 or +10, we can cause some distortion. So as you can see, there's two lights that's going up in the meter. I took off the +1, and then if I go loud, for example here, that's the +0.8. So if I cut the volume, there's no volume entering in the front or the Reaper window. So if I go up, you can see in both windows the cursor is going up and the lever is going up, and this is very important when you record to check all these details and to listen to what you are recording and then change what you want to change to make it better. To record, we're going to click on this red button, record, Command R, or we can click Command R on the keyboard. This button, let's see, we can't find it, so we have to go to View, Transport. If I click there, it will be off, so this is the cause of not finding it. If I click it back again, we have it back again. So to record, we have to arm the track with the red up there, and then we click on the button of record. And then here you can see these waves going up and down. Depends on how I'm talking or how I'm reacting. The volume in, this is the volume in. Louder and louder and less louder and less louder, etc. It's actually the energy of my sound, or how much I'm close or far from this microphone, that determines the shape of the waves. So if I click space and then I click on the file over there, then I click on rename selected, and then we can put rec 1, for example. Click save, save all, and then we have the rec1.wave. We can click on the space bar to play, space to stop also again, and then we go to the desktop. As you can see, there's a Tuto folder. Click Tuto, and then we can see in the audio folder, as I said before, we can see all the media file, and here there's the rec1 that we just recorded. We can play it, we can copy it outside this program to the desktop, to documents, anywhere we want, but don't cut it or don't delete it from this folder. It's very important to keep it on this program, or else we're gonna lose it. In this tutorial, I lighted up on small things, small details that are very important to do before any recording. So at the end, controlling the volume of your microphone is very important, but the most important is when you are recording, just enjoy your time, be free, be happy, and don't think a lot about technical stuff. It's just bring your intuition into it. Well, I hope you like this video.